How does a custom jewelry idea become a real sample? Step 1. Confirm requirements. We confirm the design direction, size, material, logo, and target market. Step 2. 3D design drawing. Our designer turns the idea into a 3D drawing for visual confirmation. Step 3. Appearance and size approval. The customer checks the appearance and size before we move to sample making. Step 4. 3D printing and sample making. Next, we use 3D printing and factory sampling to turn the design into a real product. Step 5. Checking the sample. Send the real sample video for your final OK. Once approved, big batch starts. Step 6. Mass production and packaging. We follow strict standards for every production process. We only deliver the best. Have your own design drawing or reference sample. Let's turn it into a real product.